How many selfie sticks or camera mounts do you have? If you're fed up with the hassle of dealing with so many accessories, why not give VersaMount a shot? All you need is a trekking pole or ski pole. Remove the last section of your trekking pole. Insert the VersaMount. Place your camera on top of it. That's how simple it is. If your pole cannot be separated, don't worry. We have provided you with suitable locks to secure it in place. Take your VersaMount and put it in your pocket. It's time to record your outdoor adventure. Wait, what about using 360 cameras? No worries, we have taken 360 users into consideration as well. Let me introduce you to the VersaMount Mini. Smaller size, lighter weight. The VersaMount Mini offers a virtually weightless experience. It can be used for both skiing and hiking, and your camera won't capture the pole in the shots. VersaMount and VersaMount Mini are simultaneously launching on Kickstarter. It's time to lighten the burden on your backpack.
Asgard Outdoor, versatility outdoor gear creator.